This is a video review for the Naturehike portable camping tie. And I got it put together here. It took me less than 5 minutes. What I really like about this one is it has 2 feet on each one instead of just a single leg coming down, and it really makes a difference on the stability. This is aircraft grade aluminum. It can hold 330 pounds. It's over 74 inches long and over 25 inches wide. I'm 5'9", 180 pounds. I can lay on this. My arms in. Lay in my side, no problem. Very stable. Nice spring, not too hard, which I like. Let's take a look at the clamp mode. Has a release button, which is nice. You can just pop that right off like that, and here it is. So again, real tough aluminum. These are plastic, might be a little light duty, but the release button is really nice. And all you do is when you get it assembled, put that on, lift it under, just like that, locks right in place. So really nice, like a lot. 5 pounds.